Tired of Stripe fees eating into your profits? Let's flip the script and see how you can pass those fees on to your customers. There are two main ways to do this: adding a surcharge at checkout or adjusting your product prices to bake the fees in. Let's break down each method. A surcharge is a separate fee added to the total purchase, specifically covering the Stripe transaction fee. This is the most transparent approach. First, calculate your Stripe fee as a percentage of the transaction. Next, add this percentage as a separate line item at checkout. Price adjustment involves increasing your product prices slightly to cover the Stripe fees. Calculate your average Stripe fee per transaction. Then divide that fee across all your products or services. Remember to reevaluate your prices periodically to account for changes in your sales volume or Stripe's fee structure. Now, before you start changing your pricing, let's talk about legal and ethical considerations. Transparency is key. Clearly communicate to your customers that the price includes a fee for payment processing. Some regions have specific regulations regarding surcharges, so always check your local laws and regulations before implementing any changes. Passing on Stripe fees can boost your bottom line, but it's important to do it right. Choose the method that best suits your business and customer base. Prioritize transparency and stay compliant with all legal requirements.